Let's talk about your love story. How did you guys meet?
स्टूडियो में.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
So मोहित सर क्या करते थे उस टाइम पे
He
exactly?
used to run Quality Cinelabs.
Okay.
There was a dubbing studio. पहले, I mean, they've always had a lab in Chembur.
Okay.
But then he had put up a dubbing studio in Juhu, which he was running.
Okay.
And my mother was at the time supposed to dub a show called Asman Se Aage for Anand Mahindra.
Okay.
And he had this gentleman called Vikram Rajdhan working with him, who told us कि मेरे दोस्त ने स्टूडियो अभी नया बनाया है, तो हमारा शो आप वहाँ डब कर सकते हैं अगर चाहें तो. So my mother went and met him and then worked out all the modalities and we started dubbing there, and हर रोज booking को लेके कुछ ना कुछ लेके चलता ही रहता था argument, and I used to tell my mother, this guy is not straight, he's always घुमावing you. And पता नहीं, I think among over all those interactions and spending all that time in the studios, because उन दिनों मैं college में थी, and I used to come from college to the studios, work with my mom, and then go back home in the evenings late at night with my mother. कभी-कभी all-nighter करके next day again college.
इतना?
Yeah, calm because तभी just pick up हो रहा था. And we were like just one or two people managing the whole show, It was not a really very as professional a setup as we have today. खुद ही सब करते थे हम, आर्टिस्टों को फ़ोन भी खुद ही करते थे, शेड्यूलिंग सब खुद ही करते थे, स्नैक्स लंच भी ऑर्डर खुद ही करते थे, वाउचर्स भी खुद ही बनाते थे, आर्टिस्टों को पेमेंट भी खुद ही करते थे. So they were different days, they were the learning days.
So Mohit sir is a South Indian?
Yes, he's from Mangalore.
And you are a Bengali?
Yes.
So जब शादी की बात आई, उठी, तो families were easily they agreed to it or what?
I think we had varying reactions, from funny to worrying. When he came home and told my mother, she started crying. And she said, oh my God, you trouble me so much. I don't know what you're going to go and do them. How much you're going to go and trouble them. So that was one reaction. And then when he told his parents, the Mangalorean community is a very tight community. They like to keep everything within the community.
Right.
So I think my father-in-law was not very comfortable with the idea initially. But he did know my parents because my father had been a filmmaker who had worked with him previously in the lab. Since my father-in-law used to do film processing and my father was a filmmaker, so director and the lab, there was always constantly there was a lot of interaction. So he knew my father, he knew my mother through the work we had been doing at in the dubbing studios. So I don't think he could hold out for too long. I mean, he did keep saying कि लोग बातें करेंगे, क्या होगा, क्या बोलेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे. It was a first for them, definitely. For someone to marry outside the community, it hadn't been done in their family. So he was very apprehensive whether, how it will be.
हमारे पेरेंट्स की जो जनरेशन है, तो पेरेंट्स को हमेशा ये लगता है कि वो लोग क्या कहेंगे, चार लोग क्या कहेंगे.
I think a lot of their thoughts and their decision making used to revolve around societal pressures and fear and apprehension and perception and those kind of things. It was not just about, okay, I can do what I want to do.
But how do you manage so much? There's so much on your plate. You have sound and vision, which is huge. It's massive. You have kids. You have home. You have so much to look after. How are you managing things? How difficult is it to be an entrepreneur and a mother?
It's very difficult because, the buck stops here. But having said that, like they say, it takes a village to grow a child. Similarly, it takes a village to run a business also.
Yes.
And it's not possible to do this single-handedly. So it would be wrong for me to take credit for something that so many people are a part of. And what a big team I have.
Yes.
Who are extremely supportive. They're extremely good at what they do. They are very focused and they take on a lot of responsibility, which is why then I can focus on other things. And then I have the genie at home.
Yeah.
I have to just say, you know,
पेश किया जाए.
and things, magic happens.
Wow.
So you can't do these things, obviously. First of all, the foundation that your parents lay for you, the legacy that my mother left me. And then secondly, having a husband who was extremely supportive, who's been really egging me on to grow and, you know, explore as much as I want to, as much as I can. And then to have the kind of support, whether it's actors like you or whether it is my team, the staff, you know, I think we've had tremendous support.
Yeah.
So it's really, touch wood.
Yeah,
It's been
that's
good.
Talking about the dubbing industry, there has been a lot of work ever since I can remember. लेकिन recently Netflix, Amazon, सब OTT platforms के आने के बाद एक बाढ़ आ गई है
Right.
इंडस्ट्री में
Right.
काम की. And so I am an artist, but you are on the other side as well. So what do you feel about the OTT phase that has come up recently?
I think it's great, don't you think, Sonal, कि पहले हमारे पास opportunities कितने कम थे.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, ठीक है, during our growing years हमको पता नहीं था कि ये कम थे, हमको opportunities मिल रहे थे तो हमको लग रहा था कि wow.
Yeah.
You know, I got to do advertising, I got to do radio, I got to do television, I got to do film. मेरे लिए तो यही बड़ी बात थी. You know, so we saw that phase of our career where, you know, we got to just learn, watch our elders learn and grow. You know, and we learned from everyone.
Yeah.
चाहे वो director हो, चाहे वो sound engineer हो, sound engineer से हमने कितना सीखा है.
Yes.
You know, sound designers से कितना सीखा है. So writers से कितना सीखा है about language. You know, language supervisors से हमने कितना सीखा है. So we got a chance to learn. Now people are spoilt for choice. Whether it is actors, all kind of technicians, right? Everybody's
Right.
spoilt for choice.
Right.
इतना काम है सबको, you know, you get a really wide choice in terms of the kind of work you want to do, the kind of work there is out there.
Yeah.
And there's a lot more work, lot more opportunity for everybody, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
You know, so it's really nice that the people that have really put in the hard work are now reaping the benefit.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि हम इस चैनल पे ऐसे ही बहुत सारे बहुत फन एंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्लिप्स डालते रहते हैं. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.